is someone he don't take risks. Sorry, he doesn't take risks. So it doesn't mean his life is bore. No.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Shahid. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So nice to meet you, Shahid. Just
Nice to
introduce
meet.
yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Shahid, and I'm from Jharkhand, and my city name is Jamshedpur, and
Okay.
I like to play cricket, and these days I have been learning this language, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That's a great thing. So you like to play cricket. Who is your favorite player?
My favorite cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, ma'am.
Okay, he's a great player, but I guess he has retired, right?
Yes, yes, he has retired. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but he'll remain one of the greatest players in the history of cricket. What do you think?
Absolutely, absolutely, ma'am. I agree with you.
Okay, Shahid. So would you like to talk about the topic of the day, that is risk, or would you like to have a general conversation?
Yeah, yeah, definitely, ma'am. We will talk about this about topic. Yeah, would
Okay.
you like to introduce yourself, ma'am, little bit before
Okay,
we
I
go
can
to?
tell you about myself. My name is Samriddhi, as you already know, and I'm from Punjab, and currently I'm doing my master's in English. Okay?
Okay, so you are from Punjab, so I think you know Sahnaz Gill.
Shehnaz Gill, yes. She is a
Yes,
celebrity. Yeah, yeah, I know.
absolutely, ma'am.
Are
She's
you a fan
celebrity.
of Shehnaz Gill?
I'm not fan, but I like Sahnaz Gill because when she came in Big Boss show in season 13, so
Yes.
uh, I saw her, and so
Okay.
I like.
Okay, okay, that's a nice thing. So, Shahid, tell me that when I say the word risk, what comes to your mind? How would you explain risk?
uh, risks. Risks, if it is a also, I think it is a negative thing. Sometimes it will come in my mind when I think about risks, and some
Yes.
positive thing also it will come. Uh, I, I think there's a negative number also come and positive number also come
Yes.
when I think about risks. Yeah, man.
Okay, so risk is basically uncertainty, right? We don't know whether we are doing an activity and it will work out or not, we will get successful or we will have to face failure. So we don't know.
Yeah,
Yes, right? Am
yeah,
I
we
right?
don't know. Yes, yes,
Yes.
man. We don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So have you taken any risk in your life?
Yeah, I had taken risks. Yeah.
Okay,
Uh, yeah. In 2015,
okay,
I had a shop, and I opened my shop, and
okay,
so at that time I didn't have enough money. So
okay,
my brother he he said to me, "Yeah, you can open your shop." Okay. Then I
okay,
open it, and
okay,
I was running that shop 18 months. Okay.
okay,
But what happened with me? Uh, uh, Actually, my that shop it is not my, that is not my,
okay, okay,
that shop is rent. Okay, man.
okay,
So what happened with me after 18 months? The shop owner will came, okay, and he said, I will sell this shop.
hmm,
I would sell this shop. So then
okay.
so so that then after I closed that shop. Yeah, man.
Okay, okay, okay. So that was one risk that you took, right?
Yeah, yeah, man.
Okay, okay. So Shahid, in this world that we are living today, either we do a job or we do a business. So what do you think,
Yes.
what kind of risks are there in a business? When we open our own business, we do our own work, what kind of risk factors are there in that? What do you think?
Okay. If we start business, so there's exist risks. Uh, I think suppose if we don't have enough money, okay,
Yes,
so we always think about if suppose if that business will not run, so what will we
yes,
do after that? So
yes.
this kind of risks, yeah, man.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So another thing is that when we open our own business, we also don't know that whatever products we are making, will they be sold or not? Will people like them or not? What do you think?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, it happened. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Suppose if we stock too much in our shop in our
Yes.
business, so
Yes.
uh, that will sell or not. We always think about. Uh,
Yes. Right.
so this kind of risks will happen, but uh,
Yes.
but it doesn't mean we don't take risks. We can take
Yes.
risks
Yes.
because it is some positive side also after taking
Yes.
risks.
Right.
So we know
Right.
lots of things after taking risks. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So what do you think that is it important in our lives to take risk or we should live a simple and a normal life? We should not take risk. What are your views?
What about my view? Okay, ma'am. So if someone take risks, okay, in their life, it is
Yes.
also good. If someone in their life they don't take risks, they fear about take risks, so it is also good for him. Uh, but I think if we will take risks, so we will learn many things. So it
Yes.
is
Right.
also good. Yeah. But if
Yes.
someone he don't take risks, sorry, he doesn't take risks, so it doesn't mean his life is bore. No,
Yes. Right.
it their life is also good. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you mean that it depends upon person to person whether they want to take risk in their lives or not, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
What
So
happened, ma'am? Actually, what happened? Our society, suppose someone they don't take risks, so our
right.
society people they says his life is boring. Okay,
Right.
and they encourage him. He doesn't take this. His life is very bored, something like that. He's Some people criticize him, but
Yes.
it depends on person. First of all, he will think about our after our future, means after I take this, so what will happen. So
Yes. Right.
yeah, that's why.
Okay. So Shahid, what do you think that are the risk takers more successful in their life or are those people who don't take risk they are more successful? What do you think? Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
if yeah, if someone can take risks, so yeah, he learn, and then again he take risks, so he learn, then after he get habit. Yeah,
Yes,
but
habitual.
but there is chances loss, percentage is loss is high.
Yeah, right, right. So, Shahid, can you give me some examples of risk taking from our day-to-day lives? Which are those situations in which people usually take risk?
Okay. uh, no, I don't have any idea, ma'am, on this.
Okay, like I can tell you some examples. Like, right, people start
Yes.
their own businesses when they don't have, much of the knowledge about that business. So that is also kind of risk. People drink and drive. These are the negative types of risk like people take in their lives. So what do you think that should people take negative types of risks in their lives or not?
No, ma'am, we should not take the negative type of risks. Some about just you have said it, drugs and beer, sarab or whatever. So no, but in real life, in our life, we should take this also. Is something is
Yes,
we learn. So I will
yes,
suggest you anyone. So yeah, you should take this. Yeah, ma'am. So we will learn
yes,
something.
right, because there are positive types of risks as well. When we
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to learn new things, we try to step out of our comfort zone, you know,
Yeah.
we get exposed to a whole new world. So that is a positive type of risk as well. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Shahid, some people also they invest their money in various companies and shares. So that is
Yes.
also a type of risk taking. We don't know
Yes, ma'am.
what
Yeah.
will be the results. So what do you think about that? Have you invested
Yeah.
some money in those things or not? What are your views regarding this?
No, I haven't invested any money on share market, and but my brother he suggested to me about Bitcoin.
Okay,
But
yes.
yeah, but I haven't installed Bitcoin app, and I haven't invest money there because I
Okay,
don't know about any thing about Bitcoin. So
yes. Okay,
yeah, it is also risks, ma'am. Suppose if I don't know about Bitcoin, I will invest money there. So
right.
so it is also risk. So I am now I save means I think about first, then I will do.
Yes, yes, yes. So, Shahid, there are some people who, risk their lives for certain kind of money. They do various kinds of dangerous stunts in their lives. Like the children and the youth, they go on the top of a mountain and click selfie to attract followers and post them on social media and all of those things. So, what do you think about such activities? These are also kinds of risk that they take. So, what do you think about this? Is it right or not?
I think if is it not right, ma'am? I cannot say it is right because
Yes.
people because it is life. So I cannot say it is right. Yeah, if suppose there's a good place you know about, yeah, if I will click the play, if I will click my photo from there, if I will save, so yeah, you can go, you can take your photo, you can post
Yes.
where anywhere. But I think
Yes.
uh, if there's a risk, so we
Yes.
cannot do. So it is better, man.
Yes, yes, yes. So I think our time is already over. So Shahid, do you want me to give you the feedback or tell you the mistakes or not?
Please, ma'am, please, you can give me feedback.
Okay. So Shahid,
Yeah.
at one place you said will came. So came is the past tense and will is the future tense. So you have to use their came only. Okay. The shop owner came because you are talking about the
Okay.
past event. Right? Okay.
Absolutely, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. And another thing is that you just need to work on your pronunciation and rest is very good. I think you have good ability to improve your communication skills. And I enjoyed very much having conversation with you. Thank you for taking the session. So should
Thank
we
you,
end
ma'am. It's
now?
my pleasure.
Should we end?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Have a good night, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Good night.
Bye bye. Take
Okay,
care, yourself.
bye.